Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to this guided affirmation session. In the next half hour, you will gently reconnect with your inner strength, your radiant health, and your unshakable self-worth. These affirmations are here to nourish your body, uplift your confidence, and help you truly remember how deeply worthy and capable you are. Affirmations work by harnessing the brain's natural neuroplasticity, the ability to rewire itself through repeated experience. By consistently listening and reciting these positive statements, you strengthen new neural pathways that support self-worth, calm, and resilience, while gradually weakening old, limiting thought patterns. Practice daily for at least 21 days, and you may begin to notice real shifts in your mood, energy, and overall mindset as your brain begins to reflect these new beliefs. So find a quiet space, take a deep breath, and allow these words to gently wash over you. Let's begin. I am grateful for my body and all that it does for me. Every cell in my body vibrates with energy and health. I am deeply rooted in my body and I honor its needs. I breathe deeply, fully, and calmly. My body is a miraculous vessel of strength and healing. I nourish my body with love, rest, and healthy choices. I am aligned with the natural rhythms of life and well-being. Health is my birthright. I claim it now with joy. I trust the wisdom of my body to heal itself. My immune system is strong, intelligent, and protective. I move my body with ease and grace. My mind is calm, clear, and centered. My body gets stronger every day. I release tension and welcome peace. I radiate vitality and strength. Each breath I take fills me with healing light. My sleep is deep, restoring, and rejuvenating. I honor the signals my body gives me. I listen to my body with compassion and patience. Healing flows through me with every breath. I am capable, resilient, and powerful. I trust myself to handle whatever comes my way. I take bold action toward my goals every day. I am confident in my voice, my choices, and my presence. I am calm under pressure and centered in truth. I release fear and step into courage. I believe in myself and my abilities. I carry myself with purpose and conviction. I am worthy of success and celebration. I have everything I need to create the life I envision. My confidence grows with each step I take. I trust my instincts and honor my decisions. I allow myself to be seen and heard. Confidence is my natural state. I welcome opportunities to grow and expand. I am proud of who I am becoming. I am a magnet for respect and admiration. I stand tall, speak with love, and act with integrity. I celebrate my wins, no matter how small. I am enough, just as I am. My worth is innate, unshakable, and infinite. I accept myself unconditionally. I deserve love, happiness, and peace. I honor my past and trust my future. I am a unique expression of life's brilliance. I treat myself with compassion and respect. I no longer shrink myself to fit in. I shine with authenticity. I love the person I am becoming. I am my own best friend and biggest supporter. I let go of comparison and embrace my own journey. My self-love creates space for others to love me deeply. I forgive myself for past mistakes and grow from them. I set boundaries that honor my well-being. I speak to myself with kindness and encouragement. My inner world reflects the beauty of my soul. I attract healthy relationships that respect and uplift me. I trust the timing of my life. I am safe to be fully myself. I wake up with purpose and passion. I am the author of my life. I honor my truth, even when it's uncomfortable. I am brave enough to be different. My dreams matter, and I take steps toward them daily. I inspire others simply by being myself. I make choices that align with my highest self. I am a creator, not a victim of circumstance. My mind is focused, my heart is open, and my soul is free. I live with clarity, direction, and trust. I allow abundance and joy to flow into my life. I am aligned with my values and live with intention. I do not fear change. I welcome transformation. Every challenge I face helps me grow stronger and wiser. I walk in harmony with life's unfolding journey. I shine light into the world through my presence. I trust the process and let go of control. I believe something wonderful is always on its way. I radiate calm confidence and quiet power. I am whole, I am healing, I am free. I give myself permission to slow down and just be. I am grounded, whole, and centered in peace. I lovingly release all that no longer serves me. My presence is enough. My breath is enough. I am enough. I receive the present moment with openness and grace. I relax into the rhythm of life and let it support me. I return to myself with love again and again. I am filled with quiet joy and serene strength. I celebrate my progress and rest in self-trust. I am light. I am love. I am healing. You have just given yourself the gift of presence, love, and renewal. These words are now part of you, echoing in your mind, rooted in your heart, and radiating through your energy. You are strong. You are whole. You are enough. Let the calm you feel now guide you through the rest of your day, or gently carry you into rest. Every time you return to these affirmations, you deepen your connection with yourself, and over time, you will notice how your thoughts shift, how your confidence rises, how your body responds to love, and how your life transforms. Thank you for showing up, for choosing yourself today and every day. You are loved. You are worthy. You are free.